So guys, there is a meme, yes, a meme that is like iPhone related. And the moment I saw it, like, I just kind of like cringed, but I accepted not everyone knows the things that us techies know about. But when it comes to this meme, it just seems like, here's your iPhone. This is what it can do, like day one basic things. But let me show you what this meme is. So there's like a million of these on Twitter. I can't really find the original. But basically it says, I was 2 years old when I found out this life-changing phone hack. It says if you click and hold the spacebar, you can move the cursor instead of trying to drag the cursor itself with your fat thumb, lol. You can hold down the spacebar and do it. But you can also do it on the letter R. It's the whole keyboard, and that's what people don't understand. So I was just surprised like how many people just didn't know this simple fact. Not the spacebar, not the letter, just the fact that you can force touch your keyboard and create this, movement where you can do this. Like basically you can say, hello, my name is Jeremy. And then you can force touch and make edits. Whatever you want to do. So basically what this did, this got shared and copied over to Facebook. It got shared around on Facebook. That's when like the normal people see it, like especially the older generation that's on Facebook. And then it was actually on like Regis and Kelly, or what is it, Kelly and Ryan, whatever it is now. So let's watch this. Like, it's a little crazy.
Yeah.
Right, if you have an iPhone, have you ever been typing a text and then you want to go back to a word or letter previously and there's no cursor and you try and put your finger there, but you get to the
and your fingernail gets
in the way.
You on,
You can use this space bar
So
to slide the cursor back.
Show the camera.
Here, watch. So normally you would put your finger there, but you can't get it there.
Yeah.
Here, if you hold this down, it should go backwards, right?
Now move to the left.
Look at
Oh, look at that.
What?
Yes.
It's life-changing.
Yes.
This is. Thank you. There you are. We're done. Take that trick home to the in-laws, and everyone will have peace.
Wait, what did you press? The space bar?
The space bar, and then you slide it, because my
finger.
finger is so big, it gets in between all the letters.
Oh my gosh.
More importantly, guys, like reading the comments, it's crazy. So obviously there's two different groups of people. There's people like me that are shocked that no one else has heard of it. And then there's people that are like, this is the second coming of Jesus, and why didn't anyone tell them? OMG, I never knew that. I tried it just now and it worked. So much faster than holding down and going back to whatever word letters I want to delete. Thanks, guys. What in the world? My life is complete. I have an iPhone. This is a great tip. My life is forever changed. My life just got better. You have changed my life. Thank you for saving my life. You just changed my life. Yes, you've changed my life. Half of my life frustrations have been removed. Okay, I missed the helpful hint about the spacebar. Anyone want to explain it to me? That was the whole point of the video. Okay, that's like life-saving info. Holy crap, this is the best shared info since Kelly talked about misophonia several years ago and put a name to the affliction that we share. What? My 8 Plus doesn't do that. I haven't updated. Maybe that's why. No, it does it. Trust me. The audience was like shook. And the thing is, this has been around for over 2 years. And I don't know why it bothers me, but they're stuck on the space bar. Like it's anywhere on the keyboard you can press. Yeah, so I'm just curious, guys, like what other like tips and tricks don't you think like normal everyday people know that iPhone fanboys use all the time? Like, do you think people of the common folk know about force touching like your flashlight and you can change the levels? Do they know about this recording feature? Who knows? Like, it's kind of funny, like some things we just take for granted. Ooh, let me turn off this flashlight. Some things we take for granted that other people don't really know about. Like a lot of people just get an iPhone because it just works and they use it for the most basic thing. They will just use it to browse the web. They will use it to send text messages, take pictures, and that's it. And like in reality, like iPhones are a lot deeper than people bring them out to be. But yeah, there is a trick for you if you're an iPhone newbie. It should be the day one thing that people learn because it is very nice to edit your text that you're typing out. All right, guys, that is it. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.